The Makeup Artist course is awesome because it covers makeup from the ground up. Not only theory, but also practical application. You are gonna learn all the fundamentals of makeup artistry so that you are gonna be ready to start in the industry. It covers everything from the basics of application straight on through to the incredible smoky eye. And it ends with 3 things that people are gonna be lined up and ready to pay you for: bridal makeup, trend makeup, and celebrity duplication. All you gotta do is practice the techniques, take beautiful, clear photos to send in to your tutor, get amazing audio feedback that you will use to push you to a whole new level, and voila, you will be ready to conquer the industry.